Hazrat Abdullah bin Masud radiyallahu anhu states, on the Friday night, I was sitting in the mosque when an Ansari came and submitted. What should a man do if he finds his wife with any strange man committing adultery? If he speaks of it, you will flog him with lashes. If he finishes him, you will kill him in retaliation. If he remains silent, he will remain silent in extreme fury. By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I will ask Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam the solution to this issue. Next day he entered the presence of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, asked him about this issue, submitting, if a man finds another man with his wife and tells this incident, you will lash him. If he finishes him, you will kill him. If he observes silence, he will observe silence in extreme rage. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam submitted, O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, express the solution of this issue. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam kept invoking until this verse was revealed. Translation: and those who malign their own wives and they have no evidence except themselves, then the evidence of any such of them is that he should bear witness 4 times in the name of Allah that he is truthful. The Light, verse 6. Later that man got enmeshed in the same problem. He brought his wife to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and they both invoked mutual imprecation. The man bore witness 4 times that by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu he was among the true people, and 5th time he invoked curse, saying, may Allah's curse be upon him if he is a liar. Thereafter the woman started invoking curse. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, stop, think before invoking imprecation. But she did not give in and invoked imprecation. When they both had gone, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, she will give birth to a black and curly-headed child. And she actually gave birth to a black and curly-headed child. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 3734.